Let's see which one I want to get. Here it goes. Okay. Feels better coming down, checking every segment. Did you say something, or was that me? Here today at Gentle Friends, which is a sister organization to Gentle Giants Draft Horse Rescue.
So Gentle Giants was formed in 2005, and our mission is to rescue draft horses from slaughter. They're a relatively uncommon breed, but we're seeing them grossly overrepresented in the horses that are exported for slaughter. And keep in mind, this is slaughter for human consumption. This isn't slaughter for dog food or byproducts or to feed animals at zoos. This is for people overseas to eat. Right now, we have about 141 horses here at the rescue with us. We rescue hundreds of horses every single year, and we've placed over 1,000 horses in adoptive homes.
Hey there, it's Dr. Doug. We're here today at Gentle Friends, which is a sister organization to Gentle Giants Draft Horse Rescue here in Mount Airy, Maryland. And we have Luna, who's a LaMancha type of goat. It's hard for you to hear me, but it was a LaMancha type of goat, like Man of LaMancha. But this is Luna, who's a girl from LaMancha. And I'm gonna just check her today and see what we find. So right away I can find the atlas. The atlas is really shut down on this side, so I have to adjust that. So let me go. No, I didn't get it. It's really stuck. Sorry. Wow, it's wedged into the occiput. I might even do the occiput first on the opposite side to close this gap. That might do the whole thing for me. So I'm going to get on top here. This is something that feels nice because she likes butting. I'm waiting till I get the moment so I can get the angle. Got it. I know that startled her, but okay, there we go. Now it's moving. So that's nice. I know you're probably watching going, what the heck did he just do? But so the atlas was kind of wedged up on the right, so I would call that a right superior atlas, where the wing of the atlas is almost stuck into the occiput on the right, but I couldn't get any movement on it, so I went to the opposite occiput and pushed that back down, and now they're level, and I have a nice moving gap here, which is beautiful. So that part's done. That probably you probably haven't had that adjusted like that before, have you? This is her first adjustment. So she's got a lower cervical right here. Okay, got that one. Let's back in. Little one on this side too. Got it. Coming down the scapula. There's a big old spot right here at the withers. Right there. Oh, come back to me. I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to change my... Okay. Coming down the spine, the thoracics. Right here's a jumpy spot. Can you see? She moves a little bit right there. Let's see which one I want to get. Here it goes. Okay. Feels better coming down, checking every segment. Did you say something, or was that me? All right here. So now I'm right at the sacrum. Here's the tuber sacralis, here's the sacrum. It's a very narrow gap on goats where you can get in on it. Lowest lumbar. Okay, now I'm on the sacral base. Got it. So that was just a little high. Now I'm checking the level of the pelvis. Equivalent, like the posterior superior iliac spine on both sides. the right side is a little high. I'm thinking that she has an AS ilium, so I'm going to come over to this side here. Come look. So I want to take it this way. Nope. There. Okay, that's level now. Let me just check the tail. See if she gives me that. Tail feels good. Sacral apex is good. Let me see anything else. I'm going to just feel the legs. Feel the shoulders coming down. Good. Everything feels good. I'm looking for any wincing, any jumping. I think that's enough for her. The big thing was that atlas. That's not a bad thing to get, or occiput, Atlanta occipital, or the pole. It's good to get that. Thank you. Thank you, Luna, from
Look at
LaMancha.
that! You can bend your neck again.